Kenneth Tortoise Capital. This is the sniper trade of the day for February 19th, 2026. So, yesterday, Rigetti closed here. The blue box is the last 30 minutes of the day. The green box is the opening range 10 minutes. The second bar, it takes out the high of the OR10, opening range 10. So we take our mechanical entry, our standard stop to the base of the PSAR. It moves up to our favor. The RL10 rolls over. We take our exit at the skin of the dragon for 1.5 R. Later in the day, we try the Kata 2 breakout. We take a fractional loss when it comes back near the end of the day. We're out of the position just in time to miss the move into the close, but we don't chase because we don't trade in the last 30 minutes. So netting about 2.2 for the day. The swing frame of the day for tomorrow is in silver. This is a 2-hour chart to make it a little easier to see. We have a 6 or 7 to 1 reward to risk ratio to the 10-day high. This is today's range. We'll take the breakout from the yellow zone either long or short, using the width of the daily range as the standard stop. The purple lines show typical price targets that it would hit and then maybe stall, so that become the targets where we're anticipating exits to stock. Our market review: bullish, volatile, slightly below average on the short-term time frames. Volatility remains problematic and dangerous. Our holding periods over the last X days for 40, 20, 10, 5, and 1 shows pretty much everything underwater, but no dangerous sell-offs as the market continues to chop. The Europe and Asia tending to outperform the U.S. indexes. Energy and industrials doing very well. Lots of targets in the Dow 30 with some breakouts here in Johnson & Johnson. And lots of dojis to choose from as the market comes to a decision point. The same in the ETFs with lots of dojis. Breakout here in oil and minor one in commodities as the inflation continues to move up. Auto framer, tons of high value targets to focus on. Cisco and Google remaining high in our list. Johnson & Johnson, the only real standout here on the stocks. Oil, energy, and oil exploration kind of dominating among the ETFs. That's today's quick look at the market. Getting ready for tomorrow. Keep your risk measured and your powder dry.